Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video coming up on Spongile and the Dlamenas. On Monday, getting rid of Kwenzo is harder than Vuma thought. Kuzwayo and Peteni realize they have something in common. Njengaya plans a holiday to encourage Temba and Winzeni to bond. On Tuesday, Velepi stumbles upon a juicy piece of information which makes her warm up to Sbongile. Tina gets fed up with Vusi's attempts to woo her. Meanwhile, Tulisile is in for some disappointment. On Wednesday, Njengaye and Nomfundo share an eyebrow-raising moment. Elsewhere, Vuma shares his plans to marry Samke. Vusi's big moments to woo Tina falls flat. Thank you for watching.